Hey guys, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I say thank you. A sincere thank you. A few days ago my channel recorded 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 real people who subscribed to my channel. They would have watched my videos and decided they wanted to get more, so they subscribed to my channel. And guess what? One of those persons is you. So thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting on my videos. And thank you for sharing my videos. Because really, I think it is sharing that made such a big difference so fast. As you know, my videos is about the real Jamaica, authentic Jamaica. You know, stuff like what you're seeing in the background here. I'm actually at a function back in Westmoreland. As you can see, I'm dressed up a little bit today. And I decided to hop around the back, you know, to just to say thank you, to share this appreciation with you. The channel is not about hype. It's not about trends and so on. Those things, as you know, sell fast. You know, you just need to put up something about somebody somewhere or some cascas and it goes like wildfire, you know. But we're different here, you know. It is the real Jamaica. It's authentic Jamaica. It's tradition, it's culture, you know. And so I thank you that despite not in the hype, my channel is still able to amass 10,000 subscribers. My stretch goal is 100,000. And so I'm depending on you to continue the journey with me to 100,000. Continue to like my videos, continue to comment, and above that, continue to share them with your friends. I appreciate you. And again, I say thank you for being a part of my journey. Oh, and by the way, I just picked a sauce up across from me here. I'm gonna be looking to see if I can find a few more. So wish me luck. Thank you. This is the real Jamaica.